Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn an important topic. This video is relevant for everyone who's learning French. So, as the name suggests, we are going to learn about adjective possessive. The screen which you can see here is from the 11th standard textbook, lesson number 4, HSC, class 11. So, adjective possessive. Possessive adjectives means what? As in English, we say my, your, his, her. These words show the belonging. These words do what? These words show the belonging. I'm sorry. These words show the belonging. So, possessive adjectives agree in number and gender with the noun they quali with the noun they qualify. So, as you know, in French there are two genders, masculine and feminine. So possessive adjectives have to agree with number and gender. So accordingly, plural, singular, male, female. The possessive adjective my in English has three corresponding forms in French. Ma, ma, me. In English we do what? Be it my book, still we'll use my books, still we'll use my only. But in French we'll have to first check whether book is masculine or feminine, whether it is singular or plural, then we'll accordingly use the adjectives. Note the corresponding forms of the other adjectives. So we'll look into the table. First is the subject pronoun given, then masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine and feminine plural, and then meaning. So subject pronoun is je. For je, we have masculine singular, we have ma. Feminine singular, ma. Masculine and feminine plural, it is the same for every pronoun, which is me. Meaning is my. Moving on, tu, ton, ta, te. Meaning your. Il, elle, en, son, sa, se. Meaning his, her, one's, its. Okay. Then nous, notre, nos, meaning our, vous, vos, meaning your, and il, elle, leur, meaning their. Okay, I'll repeat it once again. Try to repeat it after me so that you can memorize it. So the first one for je is ma, me, meaning my, tu, ta, te, meaning your, il, elle, en, son, sa, se, meaning his, her, one's, and its. For nous, we have notre, no, our, votre, vos, for vous, meaning your, il, elle, is, leur, and leur. So for je, we have mama, me, tu, tanta, te, il, elle, en, son, sa, se, nous is notre, no, vous, votre, vos, il, elle, leur, and leur. Now we'll look into the examples. For je, we have mon ami, masculine plus singular, friend. Okay, masculine plus singular, my friend, mon ami. Feminine singular example is ma card. It is feminine and singular, so ma cards. For be it masculine, be it feminine, but for plural we have me sami with an S, me cards with an S. Tu, ton portable, masculine singular, ta robe, feminine singular, tes portables, tes robes. Next, son frère, his brother. Brother is masculine and singular, so son frère. Sœur, sa sœur. Her, his brother, her, his sister, okay. Ses frères, ses sœur with an S. Nous, notre film, our film. Film is masculine and plural. Masculine and singular. Then notre maison. Maison is singular and feminine. For notre and votre, it is same only for masculine and feminine, so there is not much of a problem. No film, no maison. Moving on. Votre gâteau, your cake. Cake is masculine and singular. Votre glace, your ice cream, feminine and singular. Vos gâteaux, your cakes. Then vos glace, your ice creams. And the last one is leur livre, their book. Book is masculine and singular. So leur. Then leur shares same over there as well. Leur shares feminine and singular. Here also leur spelling is same. Then lur we have lur livre lur chess there. Now and again an important note you have to pay attention. Use possessive adjectives mo, ton, son instead of ma, ta, sa respectively before a feminine singular noun beginning with a vowel or mute h. Meaning what? Uh, if you have to use where there is a case, the noun given is feminine and singular, and you have to use either ma, ta, or sa. But the noun begins with a vowel. So the vowel from ma, ta, sa, the a will also clash. No. So at that point, instead of using the feminine adjective, we'll use the masculine. Only for ma, ta, sa. Instead of ma, ta, sa, respectively, we'll use ma, ta, son, respectively. Let us look at the example. Monecole. Ecole is feminine and singular. For feminine and singular, we actually have what? Ma. Okay. But here, ecole begins with a vowel. So, at that time, we'll do what? Ecole begins with a vowel. So, we'll, instead of using ma, we will use monecole for the ease of pronunciation. My school. Horloge. Horloge means a clock, wall clock. It is feminine again. So, ta horloge it should have been. H mute is also considered as a vowel in French. Ta horloge. But we here have ta, tan horloge. Okay. Then, ami in French is what? Means a friend. Feminine, it has E. The first one which we had seen over here was masculine army, friend. Here we have feminine army with an E, friend. So it should have been what? Sa army. But sa army. Sa A and army's A clashes. So instead of sa, we'll use song. Okay. Here there are questions given. You can take a screenshot of this, then you can try solving it. See you in my next video. Do let me know if you have any doubt in this question or any feedback. Bye bye.